Hello again, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. This is Robin Jeffrey for CGS 114, Introduction to Electronic Research. This is the second of your Zotero videos for the Module 1 assignments. In the first video, I showed you how to create a user ID and password for Zotero. If you haven't done that yet, you're definitely going to need to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually download the Zotero program. What you're looking at here on the screen is the web portal for Zotero. As I mentioned before, it's a perfectly fine way to access Zotero. You can do a lot from here, but for the purposes of this class, what you're actually going to need to do is to download the Zotero program itself onto your computer. And this is a video that's going to show you how to do that. Actually not that hard. There's a big red download now button right on the front page. You're going to want to make sure that you're logged in when you do this. Once again, if you're not quite sure how to do that, you can rewatch the first video and it'll show you how. As you can see at the top though, I'm logged in. There's my username. It says welcome. I'm going to hit download now. And it's going to take me to this handy dandy page. And it's going to say Zotero standalone. I'm going to ignore this Zotero for Firefox one for now. If you are a big Firefox user and you are extremely interested in how to totally maximize your Zotero usage for your Firefox, I highly encourage you to further explore the Zotero for Firefox options on your own. It's a little outside the scope of this particular course. Right now, we're going to focus on the Zotero standalone panel over here. As explained, Zotero standalone runs as a separate application and plugs into your choice of browser. As was mentioned in the syllabus for this class, all of the machines that you're using should be running Windows. That is required, as Zotero only works on Windows machines. So you're going to click this Download Zotero for Windows button. If you're using Chrome, it pops up in this bar down here at the bottom. If you're using Firefox or Safari or Internet Explorer, it might pop up in a different window. Wherever your downloads go, that's where it's going to be. For me, Chrome popped up down here. It's a file. It's a .exe file, which if you've ever downloaded a program, you know that's an executed file, which means that I need to click it in order to make it run. If all of that just sounds like gibberish to you, don't worry about it. Just know that this is Zotero. I need to double click it to open it. It's thinking very hard. It has opened up this file and is asking me, whoa, wait a minute. Are you sure you want to run this? I'm going to read this. Do not be scared by this. While files from the internet can be useful, this file type can potentially harm your computer. I promise you this Zotero file is not going to harm your computer. Click run. It's going to go through this extraction. For me, because of the kind of machine I'm on, it's going to say that I need an administrator password. I'm going to say, no, I don't have this, but it doesn't matter for me because I can get past that screen. That little screen shouldn't pop up for you. I assume you are the administrator on your own computer. If you do run into some administrator issues, you're going to need to talk to whoever owns your machine. It shouldn't happen, though. What you should get is just this handy-dandy Zotero standalone setup wizard. Woo! You're a wizard, Harry. This wizard will guide you through the installation of Zotero. Click the next button. Always leave it on standard. Do not bother with custom. Click next. Leave this entirely alone. Click install. And now we wait. We don't have to wait very long. The Zotero wizard is very, very quick. Zotero's not a very big program. Click finish. I don't know if you guys noticed this little Zotero icon just popped up on my screen. Boom. This is Zotero. I have a lot of stuff in my Zotero. Oh, good. There we go. Some things showing in my library that you're not going to have, duplicate items, some libraries that I'm part of that you're not going to be a part of. No worries about that. Just for now, know that what's going to show up for you is a program that looks something basically like this. If you see this, you've downloaded Zotero. Congratulations. Awesome job, guys. Now, syncing Zotero is a little different. See this little circle thing? When I just hovered over, it said sync with Zotero server. Now, you should have this set up that it automatically does that for you every time you log in. If you're ever worried that you are not synced with Zotero, just click that button. Basically what this means is that it's making sure that whatever is here on the web portal is going to show up here on the program. Whatever is here on the program, it's going to show up here in your web portal. It's always going to be the same thing. As you can see, you have File, Edit, Tools, Help. Some of these, I'm going to show you what to do with them. If you'd like to click through yourself, knock yourself out, feel free to explore at your leisure. But for now, you have downloaded Zotero. When you click this button, you have synced it. Everything should be good. You should be set from here on out. The last little bit of this first step, now that you actually have the program itself, I think I'm going to do this little step now in this video rather than split it up into something else, is to add the browser extension. Please do this because this is going to make actually putting things into your Zotero library so much easier for you. So as you can see, you get to add one of the following browser extensions: Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. If you're not using one of these browsers, I highly suggest that you do. They're pretty cool browsers, number one. And number two, you get to use these cool browser extensions that make adding things to your Zotero library easier. As you can see, it has handily detected that I'm using Chrome. Click this, it goes, hey, you want to add the Zotero connector? I go, yes, I do. Add extension. Whoa, the Zotero connector has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon or by pressing Control-Shift-S. And it's just as easy as that for any of these. You click it, it'll say, hey, do you want to add this? You say yes, and it'll pop up in your little toolbar up here. And you're done with this part of your assignment. You have done this part. You are now all set up to start using Zotero in this class. Look at you go. You guys are awesome. I'm so excited to be in this course with you. All right, so I will go ahead and make another video showing you guys how to actually join the very exclusive KCC Research Files group. Looking forward to that.